Grow and Learn eSchool. Let's start. Watch, listen and speak.
Knife. This is a knife. Butter knife. This is a butter knife. Teaspoon. This is a teaspoon. Fork. This is a fork. Pan. This is a pan. Cup. This is a cup. Plate. This is a plate. Jug. This is a jug. Glass. This is a glass. Mug. This is a mug. Bowl. This is a bowl. Saucer. This is a saucer. Teapot. This is a teapot. Jar. This is a jar. Stove. This is a stove. Sink. This is a sink. Microwave oven. This is a microwave oven. Refrigerator. This is a refrigerator. Electric kettle. This is an electric kettle. Toaster. This is a toaster. Cutting board. This is a cutting board. Peeler. This is a peeler. Apron. This is an apron. Dinner set. This is a dinner set. Sieve. This is a sieve. Whisk. This is a whisk. Colander. This is a colander. Baking tray set. This is a baking tray set. Rolling board. This is a rolling board. Rolling pin. This is a rolling pin. Dish rack. This is a dish rack. Mixer. This is a mixer. Blender. This is a blender. Juicer. This is a juicer. Dinner set. This is a dinner set. Coffee maker. This is a coffee maker. Kitchen hood. This is a kitchen hood. Kitchen shears. This is a kitchen shears. Cutlery. This is a cutlery set. Cleaver. This is a cleaver. Steak hammer. This is a steak hammer. Pressure cooker. This is a pressure cooker. Grater. This is a grater. Saucepan. This is a saucepan. Tea strainer. This is a tea strainer. Perforated spoon. This is a perforated spoon. Wash basin. This is a wash basin. Pestle and mortar. This is a pestle and mortar. Wok pan. This is a wok pan. Ladle. This is a ladle. Tongue. This is a tongue. Spice box. This is a spice box. Lemon squeezer. This is a lemon squeezer. Cooling rack. This is a cooling rack. Funnel. This is a funnel. Pizza cutter. This is a pizza cutter. Matchbox. This is a matchbox.
Please like this video and subscribe our channel to get more videos. Thank you.